In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete account on Alibaba app. Before we start, a quick heads up. Deleting your Alibaba account is a permanent action. Once it's gone, you'll lose access to your order history, messages, and saved information. If you have any open orders, refunds, or disputes, resolve those first. You might also want to take screenshots of important receipts or download any documents you may need later. Go ahead and open your Alibaba app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet network and, if possible, that your app is updated to the latest version to avoid any glitches during the process. On the welcome screen, tap Sign In and log in with your account. Enter your credentials and complete any on-screen verification prompts if asked. This ensures you're accessing the correct profile before you proceed with deletion. Once you're on the home page, look for the section labeled My Alibaba. Depending on your app version, this might appear as My Account or Me at the bottom of the screen. Tap that to open your profile area, where your settings and account controls live. Next, find and tap Settings. It usually looks like a small gear icon. Inside Settings, scroll until you see the option for Delete Account. Tap Delete Account to start the process. At this point, the app may show a summary of what deletion means, including the loss of data and access. Take a moment to read this so you know exactly what will happen. When you're ready, tap Delete Account again to confirm that you understand the consequences. The app may request additional confirmation, such as a password check or a verification code sent to your device. This is normal and helps protect your account from accidental deletion. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. You'll then see a final confirmation screen. Tap Delete Account one more time to finalize the request. After this final confirmation, the app will process your deletion. In many cases, you'll be signed out automatically, and the account will be scheduled for removal based on Alibaba's policies. To wrap up, make sure you no longer need access to your orders, chats, or saved suppliers. If you change your mind before the process completes, check the app for any options to cancel the deletion, but understand that this may not always be available. If everything is set, you can safely remove the app from your device. That's it. Your account deletion is complete.